4 days, hundreds of people, one beating heart of the industry. SEO Vibes Summit 2025. It all began on Tuesday night with an intimate VIP dinner where speakers, organizers, and guests from across the globe gathered at one table. That night set the tone: openness, connection, and a shared passion for what we do.
I would like to welcome all the guests and friends from near and far. It's an honor and a great pleasure to welcome you all here in the beautiful city of Zakopane in the Polish Tatra Mountains. Cheers.
Wednesday brought a breath of fresh air, quite literally. A scenic bike ride through the Tatra Mountains turned strangers into companions, and sometimes the best conversations happen far away from the conference room.
We went for a bike ride yesterday. It was truly amazing because apparently everything was uphill, but we didn't even feel it because it was an electric bike.
The bicycle trip was amazing. Okay. Yeah, the mountains, the nature, it's not so hot, it's like rivers, birds.
Yesterday I took a hike in the mountains and it was awesome. I saw the spring actually happening there. Yeah. And it was such a good hike, a little calorie burn, so it ended up with a pool here and some nice other, little activities around the place.
Thursday was a celebration of knowledge.
Come on, Zakopane! Come on!
3 themed stages, digital marketing, SEO and AI, and business, buzzed with insight, debate, and practical takeaways. Workshops and mastermind sessions lit the spark. Hallway chats turned into future collaborations.
And I must say that workshops probably are the most valuable part for me. You can feel a little bit more personal touch there when you talk to people, and it's more than not only listening but actually participating, asking, sharing ideas.
Like interaction again.
Yeah, more interactions. I really like that part. So that first day actually was really valuable to me.
And then came Friday. The main stage came alive. Lights, sound, precision, and above all, the brightest minds in SEO from every corner of the world. A day that felt bigger than all of us. A reminder that we're part of something truly special. But none of this would have been possible without you, our guests, your energy, your curiosity, your presence. Yes, it was intense. Yes, a lot happened, but every moment was made for you. believe we all need places like this to pause, to connect, to grow. Sometimes it takes a new setting to return home recharged, with new knowledge, fresh motivation, and friendships that will shape the months to come. Thank you for these few incredible days in Zakopane. Keep feeling the SEO vibes every single day.